never mind the fact that it gives you there's a guy playing guitar. There he is. It gives you no time. The video's like 35 seconds. There's that guy, the guitar guy. There he is, you guys, on Ghost Seeker app. He's also here on GhostTube. So there he is, the guy from yesterday. He's like, Shark. Yep, remember with GhostTube? With Ghost Seeker app. With GhostTube, very similar. The guy with the guitar. Clearly, these apps aren't phony. Look at him with GhostTube app playing that guitar, but a little different from Ghost Seeker. Not as good, but very much the same in many